Alright, a circle. Now ask.
This blows us through the rain and fall. Bamboo River happening now. Right now this is happening. Who's here? Time that she says I think if you come out.
Me know this a come off. Me know this a come off. Me know this a come off. 9 Mile Bridge overflow right now. Me know this a come off.
Come back down, gully bank. There's no road. I thought it was a road, but I guess it's gully. Get me? Pure gully. Look. Don't get strong out of my house. Straight in water around like that. Straight in. That's it. So, yeah, see?
All on down at 12 miles just to cut off, brother. All on down. All I done, all I done, all I done.